In this video, we're going to be comparing the free versions of Canva and Adobe Express. All images that I'm using are from Creative Fabrica. I have an all access membership account, and I have a link for that below. We're going to make a couple designs, and we're going to do it in the free version of Canva. And we're also going to do it in the free version of Adobe Express so that we can compare them. So the first thing I'm going to do here is you can see here it says custom size in Canva, and you can click on that and you can change this to inches, and you can make it an 8.5 by 11. You can do whatever you want here to get this to the correct size that you want to use, but that's not what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to do a square Instagram post, and because I want to create a PNG. So what I want to do is I'm going to take you to some images that I've already uploaded. But first thing right away that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this one in, and I want to take you to edit image. And here you see the background remover. That background remover is not free with Canva. So I just wanted to make note of that for you. So now I've removed that image because I'm not going to be using that, but I am going to use this green one, and I'm going to use this bleach spot, and I'm going to use this, always stay humble and kind. So now that we have our images in here, I'm going to tweak them a little bit. I'm going to move that out of the way for a second. And I'm going to make this green spot bigger. And then I'm going to add my bleach spot on top of that. And then I'm going to put my always stay humble and kind in the middle here, and I'm going to make it bigger. So now this is a design that I'm going to save. It's not perfect. It's just so I can show you the difference here. So now we're going to save this. So what we're going to do is we scroll here to download, and we want to download this as a PNG, right? Because it's the best. But here you see transparent background. That is not a free option. So I'm going to download this here. And it downloaded here. So now I am going to show you the difference. This is the downloaded PNG, and you can see all this white background back here. So that is not what we want. So now we're going to go to Adobe Express. And the first thing I'm going to do in Adobe Express is I'm going to show you how that, if I can find that same image, I don't know if I can find that one here, but I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to try and remove the background here. Find something. Here, this is the one that I was using. So I'm going to open this, and I'm going to remove the background on this. You see it's free in Adobe Express to remove backgrounds. Does it always do what we want? Probably not, but it is removing the background. There, it did it perfectly. So you see now in Adobe Express has a good background remover, and it is free. So now I'm going to go here to create, and we'll use a social graphic here. And we will do a free social graphic. And that'll bring us in to our area where we're going to design. And now you see it's the same thing. It's basically an Instagram post here. So I am going to click on free here just because I want to make sure that it's not pulling anything in that we don't want to. But we're going to upload our own photos, and I'm going to upload the exact same thing that I did for the last one. I'm going to upload this one and see if I can do them all at once. Nope, I'm going to upload them one at a time here. I'll get the green in there. And then I'll put our bleach spot in as well here. So now I'm opening these for you so that you can see them. If I can find that bleach spot, there it is. It's always a little small thing down there. So I'm going to move this one out of the way. I'll extend this green one to make it bigger. I'm just going through this real fast here for you. but I just want you to see the difference on these two programs on the free versions. So now move this, get it in here a little bit. We're not going to be too fussy on this because actually this is nothing that I'm going to print or anything. I'm just using this as an example. I'll send this backwards so I can get my little up here, and then I'll bring that forward. That should pop right in there. Now, I'm going to shrink it down to get it to fit in the circle pretty good here. Again, like I said, this is just an image to show you the difference between the two programs. All right, so now we've got the same thing here. Now we're going to download it and see how this in Adobe Express gives you the option of a PNG with a transparent background, and it's free. So now I'm going to start that download, and I'm going to open that project too so you can see it. It's time here. All right, so now you can see that that has downloaded with the clear background, and that's what we want. Now I'm going to open a Word document, and I'm going to insert the two pictures. So I'm going to go to Layout here, do Landscape, set the margins to 0, and I'm going to shrink it down a little bit so you can see it better. And I'm going to insert those two pictures so that we can see them side by side. So I'm going to go to my downloads because we just downloaded them. So here we've got one of them and here's the other. So I'm just going to click on both and bring them in. Insert both of them here. Now you always have to go here to wrap and through so that you can see them side by side. I gotta find that other one here. Down below, wrap and through. So now you can see that, send this one, bring this one forward here so that you can see it's got all that white background on there. That is the one from Canva. That is not what I want when I'm bringing in a PNG. I want the clear PNG that has, as you can see, there's no background. I'll bring this one forward so that you can see. There is no white background there on this one. So that is the difference between downloading a free version of Canva and downloading a PNG in the free version of Adobe Express. Thank you for watching my video. And again, you can find all of the links below for Creative Fabrica and anything else that I mentioned in this video. And please subscribe to my channel.